I used to think turning 30 meant finally settling down, but now I realize it's really about becoming the person you were always meant to be. Honestly, I thought my last year in my 20s would look so different. I really believe I already found the person I would spend my future with. I was sure of it. I will always be the kind of person who loves deeply and dates with fewer intentions, the date to marry type. But life had other plans for me. My last year in my 20s broke me in ways I never expected, but it also made me stronger. It taught me how to survive heartbreak, disappointments, fears, and the painful process of starting over. There were days I felt lost, scared, and alone, but with the love and support of my parents, family, and the few people who truly stayed, I slowly found my way back to myself. I learned how to be alone without feeling lonely. I learned how to choose myself again. And now, as I turn 30, I'm no longer mourning the life I thought I would have. Instead, I'm grateful for every version of me that survived, everything she thought she couldn't. Grateful for every lesson, every breakdown, every prayer, and every person who helped me heal. 30 doesn't feel like the end of something. It feels like finally coming home to myself. Happy birthday, self. I'm so proud of you.